Friends, what happen many times is that we are new to Photoshop. We do not know how to run Photoshop and we try to run Photoshop. So what happen many times that we open Photoshop, we do not understand anything and we accidentally click any option and move to it here, and their meanings that we remove any option from their place in Photoshop and put it somewhere, and then we do not understand what happened to like before. How do we restart having lots of problem in this video. In today's video I will tell you how you can fix this problem very easily, and you can do Photoshop like before. First of all, you have to open Photoshop. After that, you can see here I am removing any option from their place and placing it. If you are running the first Photoshop, then you must have done it by mistake. Now I tell you will fix this problem. First of all, you are seeing the window option above. Click on it. As you can see today, there is a window option and click on it. Okay, now I click here. After that, you have to click on the second option with workspace. After that, you have to click once on the option with reset essentials. So as soon as you click on this option, your Photoshop will be done in the same way as before. So in this way, you can do Photoshop as easily as before. Friends, hope you have understand everything. Friends, I will tell you again as soon as you see on the screen. First, you have to click on window option, then you have to click on workspace option, you have to click on reset essentials. After that, you can see here our Photoshop is done as before. Hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then definitely like it and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. So guys, in this video that's all. You get in the next video.